Well, today we are going to do 500 flights and counting, and it's obvious to me that I can't cut the volume down on this thing. So I'm going to try to show it to you with, this going on, but it's episode 2. This is the house teardown. So hopefully we've got a good video of this. And awesome. Well, because and the reason I'm saying awesome because when I really originally did this was actually recorded with the volume that I had originally put on the tape. But as you can see, they're tearing down the house. Now, this was a time lapse. So, got the drone into a hover position and then just stuck it there and took shots every 2 seconds. Now, then we took the shots and we blended them together to give you this time lapse photography. Now, we weren't able to get the drone into the same position every time that we stuck it up there. And we stuck it up there 4 times for this shot. But as you can see, they took the house down. And one of the funniest parts about it is that I've actually had a couple of things that have been brought up about this. One is that in a house this old, there should have been somebody there with a water hose to keep the dust down and also to prevent maybe a possible fire from occurring. The other things that occurred was that he left his patio furniture out there in the doghouse. Now, the doghouse was rotted out and the dogs weren't using it. So he didn't care about that and figured, once the house was torn down, they could just get that thing removed too. As far as the patio furniture, when he moved into the house, that patio furniture was donated to him by the previous owner. It was really kind of an incredible little teardown. And one of the really cool things is that they had a weather vane that sat up on the roof. And this guy with the excavator was able to take the excavator and scoop the weather vane off and stick it in the yard so that he could take it later for his own use or put it on his own house. It took maybe 45 minutes in total to bring the house down, but it was a 4-hour procedure because of all the stopping and the resetting of the excavator and to make sure that nothing went wrong in the process of taking the house down. But what an incredible thing.